Wow, this is where they grow underwear. Isn't that cool? Fruit of the Loom. There it is, guys, California. Rolling out of the I-10 PCT Oasis. Maybe next year. Maybe next year. That'd be awesome. Good morning, everybody. Trying to figure out where to go. I'm kind of pinched. I thought I could ride I-10 up to Beaumont from here, but the exit ramp is closed. One other road I can take is gated and it goes into an Indian reservation. Might be able to like push the bike down these down the side of the train tracks. Cause like that's probably banning right there. It's not a big deal, you know. Fruits of the Loom, just growing right here. Fruits of the Loom. This is where underwear is made. This is where they grow underwear. Look at that little fella. There it is, guys. Terminator 2. Yeah, I'm actually only 76 miles away from Santa Monica. I just bumped into a couple cyclists on the road. They were asking me where I was going. I told them I was heading into Santa Monica. And the one guy asked me if I was going to do the Santa Ana River Trail. And I told him I was unfamiliar with that. I'm like just south of the trail he's talking about. So the trail goes all the way to Huntington Beach. So that's where I'm going, guys, and I'm going there today. I got 30 miles in already, 32 miles in already, and probably about 70 miles of trail to ride. I'm just gonna crush this thing. I'm going all the way, and I should be in Huntington Beach tonight, right on time for sunset. That's day 78. So in 8 miles, I hit 3,900 miles. I got 70 miles to go. This bike tour is gonna be just shy of 4,000 miles. Not to mention all the miles I probably forgot about in there, the times I forgot to hit the Garmin and stuff like that. It's a 4,000 mile tour, guys. Not my longest tour, but the longest days it took me to do the tour. This is the last trail of the trip, guys. It's great to end this trip on a huge, long, paved, fantastic, flat, headed downhill, awesome trail in California. So the Santa Ana River Trail. Here we go, y'all. Thanks for staying tuned as well. Thanks for all the new subscribers and all the positive feedback. California has been a great state. Other than the one day of almost dying in the desert, it was definitely a lot of fun. Anyway, it looks like you have your choice of gravel or paved. I'm going paved today. I'll probably switch it up. I mean, if this trail cuts back into the woods or something, like, I always have to check it out. But thrilled to be here, guys. That was a long trip. I'm glad to be on my way, done with this trip and moving on to other things. However, I am not physically beat down. I'm still mentally, I could continue for weeks if need be, you know, if it had to be that way. As far as how do I feel about, like, if I could ride from California to Pennsylvania right now, I would need a couple days, get my head in the game. I would have to, like, repack everything, have gear send gear home. But I think I could mentally and definitely physically achieve that. So, you know, that might turn into one of my goals as well. I mean, I can't say that I don't think about it. I think about the yo-yo trip, you know, coast to coast to coast. And I also think about doing a perimeter ride of the United States, the lower 48 anyways. Santa Ana River Trail, guys. Santa Ana River Trail, guys. I can see the waves breaking at the end of this trail here. But that's a hell of a trail, really. There was a 10 mile section missing from Norco, California to Colton. But other than that, it was I think it's a 96 mile paved trail, and I almost did the whole damn thing. I'm at about 94 miles for the day, and I'm just under 4,000 miles for the trip. However, I might be riding up the coast to LA, a little bit closer to the airport, plus the mileage I've missed over the past 2.5 months. It's a 4,000 mile trip, guys. Just enjoying the last seconds of the ride. Beautiful here in California on the coast. It's amazing the difference. Definitely out of that heat wave. So. That's it, man. On the beach. Just rode up to LA on the Pacific Coast Highway, guys. And hope you can hear me. Lots of noise going on here. Wind, waves, septic treatment plant behind me. That's it, man. 4,000 miles, guys. Not my longest bike tour. That's it, guys. Wrapping it up. 4,000 miles, 15 states. Really great to be here. Now it's like, now you gotta try to figure out how to get home, which is just as hard. Which is just as hard as getting across the country. Thanks for staying tuned in to the adventure. That's it. That's gonna wrap it up. 2021 coast to coast, 4,000 mile bike tour. But this is LA. Thanks for following along, and thanks to everybody I met out on the road. Met a lot of great people. Had really good interactions with a lot of people out there across the country. But stay tuned, guys. I got more trips planned. I'm already planning on my next bike tour, so we'll see you soon. LA, man.